Error 400 on YouTube TV usually appears when the app can't communicate with YouTube's servers. This can be caused by corrupted app data, outdated software, or network problems. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart the app and device. Close the YouTube TV app completely and reopen it. If the error still shows up, restart your device, whether it's a smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or a phone. A simple reboot often clears temporary connection issues. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi is one of the most common causes of error 400. Restart your router, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, or move closer to your router. If possible, connect your device using an Ethernet cable for maximum stability. Step 3. Clear the YouTube TV app cache. Different devices handle cache differently. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to the Apps section, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the Roku cache clearing sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, remove the YouTube TV app and reinstall it to refresh the app data. Step 4. Update the YouTube TV app. Open your device's app store, search for YouTube TV, and check for updates. Running an outdated version can cause communication errors with YouTube's servers. Step 5. Disable any VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. YouTube TV requires accurate location information, and a VPN can cause error 400 because it masks your true location. Step 6. Sign out and sign back in. Open YouTube TV, go to your profile, sign out, and then sign in again. This refreshes your account connection and can clear server-related errors. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.